festive Christmas cake ideas for holiday celebrations. The holiday season is the perfect time to indulge in delicious treats. And what's more festive than a beautifully decorated Christmas cake? Whether you're baking for a family gathering or just want to impress your guests, today we're sharing the best Christmas cake ideas that are easy, stunning, and absolutely delicious. Let's dive right in. First up is the classic Christmas fruitcake with a modern twist. This isn't your average dense fruitcake. This version is light, moist, and packed with festive flavours. Start with dried fruits like cranberries, apricots, and cherries soaked in spiced rum overnight. Mix them into a buttery cake batter with a hint of cinnamon and nutmeg. Bake to golden perfection and top it with a glossy apricot glaze and whole nuts for an elegant finish. If you're looking for something chocolatey, the Yule log cake, or bûche de Noël, is a showstopper. Begin with a light chocolate sponge cake and roll it with a rich chocolate buttercream. Once rolled, coat the outside with more buttercream, then use a fork to create a bark-like texture. Dust it with powdered sugar for a snowy effect and decorate with sugared cranberries and fresh rosemary for that classic wintry look. Next, we have a simple but stunning gingerbread cake. This cake is infused with the warm flavours of ginger, cinnamon, and molasses. Bake it in a round or square pan, then frost it with a luscious cream cheese icing. For decoration, you can add mini gingerbread cookies around the edges or pipe a festive design on top. The aroma alone will fill your home with holiday cheer. For something unique, try a festive red velvet layer cake. This bright red cake is perfect for the season and pairs beautifully with a creamy vanilla frosting. Create a snowy landscape on top using shredded coconut and decorate with miniature edible Christmas trees or candy canes for a whimsical touch. It's a guaranteed crowd pleaser with its vibrant colour and rich flavour. Finally, let's talk about a cake that's both beautiful and refreshing. The cranberry orange Bundt cake. This zesty cake combines fresh orange zest and tart cranberries, creating a perfect balance of sweet and tangy. Drizzle a simple orange glaze over the top and sprinkle with sugared cranberries for a sparkling, festive effect. These cakes are sure to add sweetness and joy to your holiday celebrations. Whether you prefer traditional flavours or want to try something new, there's a cake for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more festive inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy holidays!